RDX English Learning.
David, are you still sleeping?
Mom? What time is it?
It's 9:30 already.
Oh, really? I slept a lot.
Yes, you did. You looked very tired last night.
I was. School was hard this week.
I understand. It's the weekend now.
Can I sleep a little more?
Just 10 more minutes.
Thanks, Mom.
What do you want for breakfast?
Maybe pancakes.
That sounds good. With honey or jam?
Honey, please.
Okay. Do you want tea or juice?
Juice. Orange juice.
Got it. Are you getting up now?
Okay, I will.
Wash your face first, please.
Yes, I'm going to the bathroom.
Did you sleep well?
Very well. I feel better now.
Good. Come help me in the kitchen after.
Sure, I'll be there in a minute.
David, can you get the eggs from the fridge?
Yes, here they are.
Great. Now crack 2 eggs into this bowl.
Like this?
Yes, good job.
What's next?
Add some milk. Just a little.
Is this enough?
Perfect. Now mix it with a spoon.
It's fun to cook.
I'm glad. Now we heat the pan.
Should I pour the batter?
Let me do that. It's hot.
Okay, I'll watch.
Can you get the plates ready?
Sure. 2 plates?
Yes, and 2 forks.
Done. It smells so good.
Almost ready. Want to set the table?
Yes, I'll put the juice too.
You're a good helper.
Thanks, Mom.
Pancakes are ready.
Yay! I'm hungry.
So, David, what should we do today?
Can we watch a movie?
Maybe later. What else do you want to do?
Go outside or play games?
How about both?
That sounds fun.
Do you want to draw something too?
Yes, I want to paint.
We can do that in the afternoon.
Yay, I'll get my colors.
Wait, let's make a plan first.
Okay, what's the plan?
First, we clean, then games, then go outside.
Then painting?
Yes, and dinner after.
What movie will we watch?
Let's choose tonight.
Deal.
Want to write it on paper?
I'll make a schedule.
Good idea. Let's get started.
Thanks, Mom.
David, can you clean your room
Sure, I'll pick up my toys.
and put your books on the shelf?
Okay, what about my clothes?
Put dirty ones in the basket.
Got it.
I'll vacuum the floor.
Should I help you?
Yes, you can move the chairs.
Done. Mom,
Good. Now let's fold the laundry.
can I fold my shirts?
Yes, here's your pile.
Like this?
Perfect. You're doing great.
It's not so hard.
It's easy with help.
What's next? Mom,
Let's water the plants.
I love watering.
Be careful not to spill.
I'll do my best.
David, lunch is ready.
What did you make, Mom?
Your favorite: rice, vegetables, and chicken.
Yum. Can I help set the table?
Yes, get the plates and spoons.
How many plates?
Just 2 today, you and me.
Okay. Where's the spoon drawer?
In the top cabinet.
Found it. Do we need napkins?
Yes, please.
Do we have juice too?
Yes, I made fresh mango juice.
Great! Let's eat!
First, let's say thank you for the food.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
This chicken is tasty.
I'm glad you like it.
What's in the vegetables?
Carrots, beans, and a little garlic.
They're really good.
Eat slowly, okay?
Okay. Can I have more rice?
Of course. Here you go.
Thanks, Mom. I love lunchtime.
Are you ready for game time?
Yes. Can we play Ludo?
Sure. Let's set it up.
Who goes first?
You can roll the dice first.
6. I start strong.
Lucky boy. Let's see. My turn.
Only 3.
That's okay. The game is long.
Are you trying to win, Mom?
Always.
I'll beat you.
Let's see. It's your turn again.
Yes, another 6.
Wow, you're fast today.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I love playing with you.
Me too.
Who's winning now?
I think I am.
Maybe I'll catch up.
Not if I win first.
Let's play another round later.
Okay, this is fun.
Isn't the weather nice today?
Yes, I love sunny days.
Do you want to walk or run?
Let's walk for now.
Look at the flowers.
So many colors.
What's your favorite color?
Red and yellow.
Can you hear the birds?
Yes, they're singing.
Nature is so peaceful.
Can we sit on that bench?
Sure, let's rest.
Can I take off my shoes?
Just for a little while.
The grass feels soft.
Yes, it's clean and green.
Can we come again tomorrow?
Maybe, if the weather is good.
Can we bring snacks next time?
Good idea. A small picnic.
Yay! I love nature days.
David, are you ready to draw?
Yes. What should we make?
Let's paint a tree and the sky.
Okay. I'll start with the tree.
Use green and brown for that.
Can I use red too?
Yes, for the apples, maybe.
What are you drawing, Mom?
A sun and some clouds.
Look, I made a bird.
That's so nice.
Do you like my tree?
I love it. It's very creative.
Can we hang it on the wall?
Yes, after it dries.
I want to make more art.
Let's do another one tomorrow.
Can we use glue and paper too?
Yes, we can do some paper crafts.
Yay! I love art time.
Me too. You're so talented. Let's make dinner together.
What are we cooking?
Pasta with vegetables.
I love pasta.
Can you wash the carrots?
Yes, I'm doing it now.
Good. I'll boil the pasta.
Should I cut the tomatoes?
Yes, but be careful.
I'll use the small knife.
That's smart.
What's next?
Mix the veggies in the pan.
It smells great already.
Add a little salt.
Like this?
Perfect. You're doing great.
Can I taste it?
Just 1 spoon.
It's yummy.
Let's set the table now.
I'll get the plates.
What movie should we watch?
Something funny.
How about a cartoon?
Yes, my favorite one.
Okay, let me play it.
Can I sit close to you?
Of course. Come here.
Do we have popcorn?
I made some already.
Yay! Movie time!
Let's turn off the lights.
It's like a real cinema.
Shh, it's starting.
I love this part.
It's very funny.
Can we watch another one after?
Only if it's short.
Okay, just one more.
Then straight to bed, okay?
Promise. I love movie nights.
Me too. Sweet moments.
Thank you, Mom.